turning to an update on a story we've been tracking for several weeks. The fate of Club 7 could finally be decided today, weeks after a deadly stabbing outside its doors.
So police have already arrested 5 people in connection to this deadly brawl. They're still searching for 3 more suspects.
And for the very latest, Eyewitness News reporter Julianne Lima is looking ahead to the Board of Licenses hearing.
Danielle and Patrick, Club 7 has been closed for the entire month of July since 28-year-old Stephen Cabral was beaten and stabbed to death on June 30th. It happened just outside Club 7, but investigators are still working to determine if the massive fight started inside the establishment. If it did, it's likely the Board of Licenses would shut down Club 7 for good. Police issued a search warrant to Cox Communications and obtained surveillance video from inside the club. This video is the key to determining if it will lose its license or be allowed to reopen. We expect to see that video at today's meeting. 5 years ago, the BOL revoked the license of another Federal Hill bar after a similar situation. A 33-year-old man was beaten to death in the back parking lot of the $3 bar. In that case, though, it was determined the fight did in fact start inside the bar, and employees did not try to stop it or call 911. The attorney for Club 7 is confident police will not be able to connect the violence to his business.
There was a shooting on Spruce Street up the road that this board dismissed because they didn't have the evidence to connect it to it. And there are a lot of nightclubs and lounges on Atwells Avenue, and all of their patrons park on Spruce Street.
And the owner of Club 7 estimates he's already lost between $50,000 and $100,000, and he only expects that number to rise the longer his business stays closed. Providence Police Colonel Hugh Clements tells us he hopes Club 7 never reopens. Reporting live in Providence, I'm Julianne Lima, Eyewitness News.